Hi kitties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Regina Jane and I'm back guys and I'm back. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're back, welcome back I guess. I'm happy that you're back. So today I filmed a little video for you guys. Please don't mind my room guys, it's a mess. Please don't mind the mess in the back, it's really a mess. But anyways, I came up with a little look for you guys. I saw this on TikTok and I was like, wow, this looks really good. But mind you, her hair was really healthy and mine is damaged. So if you have damaged hair like me, this is a really cute style just to do. I think it will last you more than a week. So if you want to see how I did it, please keep on watching. The products I used for this style is water, which is a must, and then I used Ancheki's seal-in butter, and then I used the rosemary lock gel, but you can use any lock gel that you want. And then I used edge control for the endings, for the end styling, but then edge control is optional. If you don't want to use edge control, that's up to you. Then you'll need a wide tooth comb and a comb for you to make your lines. That's basically it. Yes, so I started off with hair that's already washed. I washed it the previous day and then I just twisted it up. So what I'm doing here is taking just any hair food that you have at home, or you can even use petroleum jelly like a Vaseline or Johnson's petroleum jelly, and just put it on your hands and rub it into your scalp. I just do this to moisturize my scalp because my hair doesn't really take well to oil. So this is just me moisturizing or massaging my scalp. Just I tend to do this for hair growth because my hair is really damaged, so I'm trying to get my hair to grow really faster. So what we're gonna do now is just section off the front two pieces of our hair. We need this so that we can just make smaller twist in the front and have larger twist in the back, so that we can just make it look really nice and cute. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm sectioning off my hair into the two pieces in front, and then the two smaller pieces in front and then two bigger pieces at the back, where we can do like really big twist at the back, but the front side we're going to do really small twisting. You will see now.
Active by night. Keep going crazy.
So now I just add water to my hair and try to brush out my hair or comb out my hair with a wide tooth comb. Please do this gently on your hair because we're not trying to lose any more hair than we already are, because our hair is really damaged right now. Yeah, so please be careful while combing out your hair or detangling your hair. Please be gentle with your hair because it's our hair, it's our crown, so respect it. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna be sectioning off my hair and just making like really huge large sections. So after you have now sectioned off your piece of hair that you're gonna braid up or twist up rather, you'll go in with the Ancheki seal-in butter, but we're only gonna use this on the ends of our hair, and then we're gonna work it up until the middle of our hair, and then we go in with the lock gel on our roots just to make it look like really flat and just to make it like look really pretty. So we're going with the lock gel and then we start twisting it up. The technique we are using is to start off as if we are braiding it, as you braid a 3-strand braid, and then just 3 braids in, we're gonna divide our hair up into 2 strands and start twisting. Now the twisting technique is we're gonna use the how can I explain this? Okay, fine. You're gonna be twisting the 2 strands in the opposite direction before you twist them together. So just watch what I'm doing and hopefully you'll get it. I'm gonna show you how I do it again. Okay.
Active by night. Keep going crazy.
We have now reached the front of my hair, and I will just do exactly the same that I did in the back of my head in the front, but just in smaller section. And I will be making really crisp lines, so it just looks really really cute when we're done. So yeah. I continue this over the whole front section of my hair, and then yeah, I just style my hair with my edge control, and here's the final look. So I'm finally done with my hair, and this is the final look that I came up with. I did my makeup off camera for you guys, and this is it, guys. This is it. Mind you, my hair is really really damaged and thin, so if you have healthier hair than I do, you'll probably look way better than I did. But look at this. I think it's cute. Look at my little earrings. I'm from the Leaf Village, y'all. If you guys watch Naruto, I'm a shinobi from the Leaf Village. Look at my little earrings. Anyway, so yeah, I think this is really cute. Like, okay, but if you don't like it, you can leave it down in the comments. But I think this is okay. I think I'll keep it in for a whole week and see how it does. If it doesn't hold up well, then I might have to look for something different to do with my hair. But this is what I came up with, y'all, until I get a new uh hairstyle that I want to try out. Then I'll be doing this if I don't get a new hairstyle. So yeah, I think this is really cute, and if you guys want to try it out, please do let me know how it came out. If you guys want to send me pictures, you can send me pictures on my Instagram. My Instagram will be linked below, or you can just drop them in the comments. I mean, yes.